Hello everyone. Today we will study about reciprocal of fraction. Okay, so what is the reciprocal of fraction? Reciprocal of fraction means suppose here one fraction has 4 upon 5. So interchanging the denominator and numerator. Okay, so interchanging numerator and denominator, so answer is 5 upon 4. It's a reciprocal. Reciprocal of 4 upon 5 is 5 upon 4. Here denominator 5, now numerator 5, then numerator 4, so this will be denominator. Okay, so this is reciprocal of fraction. Here one example have 4 upon 5 and 5 upon 4. So we observe that the numerator and denominator of two fractions are interchanged. Interchange means 4 upon 5 and 5 upon 4, and its multiplication, reciprocal means 4 upon 5 and its reciprocal is 5 upon 4. Multiply if same number when reciprocal multiplication, answer will be 1. How? 5 to 5 कैंसिल एंड 4 to 4 कैंसिल. जब भी हम रेसिप्रोकल लेंगे और उसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं फ्रैक्शन का, तो आंसर इज ऑलवेज 1 कमिंग. ओके, सो you write 4 upon 5 and over this one, and definition also, if the product of two fraction is 1, then each of them is called reciprocal of other. It means आपका प्रोडक्ट ऑलवेज तभी 1 होगा जब दो फ्रैक्शन का जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन है वो रेसिप्रोकल होंगे. सपोज वी टेकिंग 3 upon 5 and its multiplication multiply by its reciprocal, so its reciprocal is 5 upon 3. Then 5 to 5 cancel, 3 to 3 cancel, so 1 into 1 is equal to 1 coming. Otherwise look again different type. 3 upon 2 into its reciprocal is 2 upon 3, so 3 into 2 answer is 6, and here 2 into 3 again answer denominator also 6. 6 to 6 cancel, answer is 1. So if we multiply fraction with and its reciprocal, so answer will be 1. Now again we taking some examples. Here firstly 2 upon 7, so numerator is 2 and denominator is 7, and its reciprocal will be, so 2 upon 7, so reciprocal 7 upon 2. Numerator 2 and here denominator is 7, but its reciprocal then numerator 7 and denominator 2, and its multiple, so 2 upon 7 and its reciprocal is 7 upon 2, answer will be 1. Same again have next example 5. Here numerator is 5 and denominator not have, it means 1. Okay, so here 5 only, not have anyone, so 1 be taking. So this is numerator and this is denominator. So 5 upon 1, its reciprocal will be 1 upon 5, so this is 1 upon 5, and we multiply, so 5 to 5 cancel, answer will be 1. Okay, and again mixed fraction have, so mixed fraction example 1 and 2 upon 7. So firstly you convert in fraction form. So firstly we convert in fraction, so 1 and 2 upon 7, so 7 1 ja, how will you write? 1 into 7 plus 2 upon 7, so 7 1 ja 7 plus 2, 9 upon 7. Okay, 9 upon 7 and its reciprocal is 7 upon 9. So 7 upon 9, its reciprocal and multiple will be 1. Its multiple is 1. Here some important rules. First, the reciprocal is also known as multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means when we multiply one fraction and its reciprocal, so answer will be 1 coming. It means multiplicative inverse है. Okay. Answer always 1 coming. Next have first over then second. Reciprocal of proper fraction is an improper fraction. Example, reciprocal means suppose we taking one example here, we taking 3 upon 8. So this is proper fraction and its reciprocal 8 upon 3. This is improper fraction. Understood? So reciprocal of proper fraction is an improper fraction and reciprocal is improper fraction. Improper fraction, so here taking 9 upon 5, this is improper fraction and its reciprocal is 5 upon 9. This is proper fraction. So when we taking reciprocal of proper fraction, so its reciprocal is improper, and if we taking reciprocal of improper fraction, so answer its reciprocal is proper fraction. Now reciprocal of a number is unit fraction. So here question saying reciprocal of a number is a unit fraction. Means suppose any number you taking 5 and not have an only number have, so its fraction is 1 upon, reciprocal is 1 upon 5. Now again have one point. The reciprocal of 0 does not exist as division by 0 is not possible. Means 1 upon 0, 2 upon 0, this is not a reciprocal. Okay, never, because its value is infinite coming, and so never coming in denominator is 0. 0 is never denominator. Next one, one is the only whose reciprocal is equal to itself. It means we taking 1 and its reciprocal also 1 upon 1 and its value is 1. So 1 is only one number, एक ही एक ऐसा नंबर है 1 जिसका रेसिप्रोकल भी 1 ही होता है, सेम itself number. Okay, so this is your points, all points is over here. Now I am taking one example and you think about it. Here 3 upon 8 have, okay, so 3 upon 8, so and answer is 1. When answer is will become 1, so when we multiplied by which number? Its reciprocal. So 3 upon 8, its reciprocal will be 8 upon 3. Okay, so 3 upon 8 multiply 8 upon 3, so value will be cancelled, 3 and 3 to cancel, answer will be 1 coming. Okay, so solve like this only all questions. Now taking another example, what is the reciprocal of this fraction? So firstly you convert, this is mixed fraction, so firstly you convert mixed fraction in simple fraction. Okay, so 7 2 ja 1, 7 2 ja 14 and plus 1, so answer is 14 plus 1 upon 7, it means 15 upon 7, and its reciprocal will be 7 upon 15. Okay, so this is your answer.